We begin tonight with some pretty incredible video. It happened around 11 o'clock last night, a fireball flying across the western sky. Not only did the sky light up, some people in BC say they felt a sonic boom. Scientists say it was a meteor and it likely came crashing to Earth in British Columbia. Here's Brad McLeod.
This was caught in Cochrane by a security camera. Even clearer in Kelowna. And near Castlegar, residents there not only saw it, they felt it.
Big explosion. At first we thought maybe America was bombed, but we found out soon enough that it was a meteor, and it was a huge flash in the sky.
People from Vancouver Island to Brooks, Alberta reported seeing something in the sky, and over 200 lucky onlookers reported it to the American Meteor Society. They plotted those observations and estimated the meteor's flight path. It appears the fireball traveled in a northwest direction, entering the atmosphere near Boswell, BC, and landed, yes, landed, some 90 kilometers away near remote Meadow Creek.
On a meteorite that has just recently fallen to Earth, it often will have a very dark cover coating on the outside. It's called a fusion crust.
Astronomer and educator James Durbano shows off two meteorites he uses in his traveling planetarium.
Just moments before it entered into the Earth's atmosphere, that object would have been referred to as a meteoroid. And as soon as it enters the Earth's atmosphere and starts blazing a trail across the sky, it's known as a meteor. And if it makes its way all the way down to the ground, it's called a meteorite.
And scientists say the meteor was big, and therefore, more likely, it made it to Earth.
This would be a very rare piece of rock, maybe the size of a refrigerator or a dishwasher, small car, something like that.
Geoscientist Alan Hildebrand has been studying the video closely as it comes in. He hunts down meteorites and is particularly interested in this one.
We are going to travel out there. An event like this for the southern part of Canada, where most of our population lives, is, let's say, roughly once a year.
Hildebrand believes there will be about 20 kilometers of meteorite debris leading up to the impact point. If he finds something, he hopes it will shed light on which orbit the meteoroid was from and what it's like there.
Size of a fridge. Wow. Okay. So Brad joins us now. You spoke to many people in this area who heard it or saw it. So what did they think was happening?
Well, many, of course, thought it was thunder. But when they felt this odd silence before the big boom, well, that was the meteor walloping the sound barrier. The astronomer I spoke with said the meteor was likely traveling at about 27 kilometers per second as it flashed across the sky over BC. RCMP in the interior did receive dozens of calls inquiring about the blast. As for that meteorite hunter in the piece, he says he is headed out there immediately to try and track down the debris.